Hello, children. Myself, Mesharam Sir, Kalpataru Vidya Mandir Sindhavai. This is our fourth standard. Today we are going to see the part of speech verb. This is our part of speech verb. Verb means, here I am writing a definition. Verb means a verb expresses action of people, animal and thing. In this definition, here the verb expresses action of people. Action is very important word. Action is important of people, animal and thing. Means a word that express the action. That is the verb. Again, verb are in words indicating action or state of being. Action or state of being in a sentence. Look at the two sentences. A verb expresses action of people, animal and thing. Means here the action of people, action of animal and action of thing. That word shows that is the verb. And next sentence, verb are words indicating action or state of being. Means living being, action or state in a sentence, that is called the verb. This is the information of verb. Now we take an example. Shravani gave me a bag. Shravani gave me a bag. In this sentence, a verb, you have to find out the verb. Means here firstly you have to find out the action. Action in this sentence, the Shravani gave, means action of Shravani. The word that is showing is gave. Gave is the action, so it is the action word, means verb. Here action of Shravani is giving, means gave. That is the past tense of give. So gave is the verb. Now next, Disha loves flower. Disha loves flower. In this sentence, the action of Disha. What is the action of Disha? Loves. It is the action of Disha. So it is loves is a verb. Now another example we take. Third example, the phone rang. The phone rang. In this sentence, the action of phone is ringing, means rang. Rang, this is the action. So it is the verb. Action word is a verb. Fourth example, the tiger is the national animal. The tiger is the national animal. In this sentence, the tiger is national animal. In this sentence, is a action word, so it is a verb. Means every action word are called the verb. Every action word are called the verb. Means this word shows the action of the living thing, man, people, animal and things. These actions are known as the verb. This is the verb. Now verb divide into two parts. Types of verbs. Types of verbs. First is transitive verb. Transitive verb. First is a transitive verb. Transitive verb means the verb that do not the verb that need object to complete their meaning. Information: the verb that need object to complete their meaning are called transitive verbs. Are transitive verb. Transitive verb means the verb that need object to complete their meaning. Means here object is very important. Object is very important to complete their meaning. Every sentence has subject, verb and object. Subject, verb and object. And here this definition is saying the object is important, means need a object to complete their meaning. So it is the transitive verb. We take example. Shyam plays the guitar beautifully. Shyam plays the guitar beautifully. In this sentence, here is a verb play. Verb play, and here you have to identify transitive or intransitive. This is the example of transitive. But how it is transitive? The here verb play. Shyam plays. Shyam plays. But what plays? Guitar. And this part is guitar beautifully. This is the object of that sentence. This is the object part. This is the object part. Means if we do not say Shyam plays, there is not complete meaning of this sentence. Shyam plays, but what plays I don't know. So Shyam plays the guitar. Shyam plays the guitar. So it is a object of this sentence, and here need a object to complete the meaning. Means here guitar is given, so it is a complete meaning. Shyam plays the guitar. If here is not a guitar, means object not if the object is not given, so here is not a complete meaning. So in the transitive sentence, in the transitive verb, the object is very important. Object is very important to complete the meaning of verb. So this is the example of transitive verb. Now next, the girl throw the ball. The girl throws the ball. In the sentence, this is also example of transitive verb. Here verb is throw. Verb is throw. Now look at the sentence. The girl throws. The girl throws. But you don't have if there is not given the ball. That time the meaning of the sentence is not clear. Meaning of the sentence is not clear. So here is important the ball. The ball is a object, and here is also important object to complete the meaning of verb. The girl throws the ball. So it is a throws action word, and the ball is object. So it is the example of transitive verb. Now next, I walk in the morning. I walk in the morning. In the sentence, walk is a verb, and this is the example of transitive verb because I walk in the morning. This is the part of object. This is the part of object. Object is important. I walk in the morning means when in the morning. So here is a clear meaning of the verb. So it is the transitive verb. It is the example of transitive verb. Okay. This is the transitive verb, types of transitive verb. Other examples of this verb we will take a new video. Thank you.